It was said that 21 days is all you need to change and create a new habit. Or is it true? Have you ever tried to brush your teeth with your non-master hand? Or making changes to how you communicate with your spouse or partner? How does it feel? I bet you feel uncomfortable, awkward, or maybe slower in doing things. The bottom line is, you are just not used to it. You realize that change is hard, and making it stick is even harder. These reactions are common and normal because we have been conditioned to be familiar with what we do all our lives till now. And this is partly because of how our brain works. Just imagine that our brain is like a huge railway network. For everything we do, it has to make connections between different areas, just like how one station is connected to the others in the railway network. This system of network is built up over time from how we do things. It becomes our habits and routines. And these habits and routines of ours make it easier for us to go through our day-to-day life activities. However, not all of our habits and routines are beneficial to us. So, when we try to introduce something new, like changing a behavior, habit, or mindset, we have to build a new connection. Building this new connection is like building a new track to a new station. The thing is this, building a new track requires time and continuous effort. You need to clear the path and lay the tracks. And what lies in the path could be forest or mountains and so on. And if you don't do it consistently, the path may start to fill up with obstacles again. And here is something you need to know about the brain. Our brain prefers familiarity. And when it's triggered or under stress, it will automatically choose the easiest track, which is the old track. This is why change is hard. Therefore, when you are making a change, repeat it as frequently as you can until the new track is completed and running smoothly. This will make it easier for you to use when you need it. So, does it really take 21 days to make a permanent change or form a new habit? There are actually no research or studies that have been done to prove this. The closest I can find was actually a study done at the University College London, which shows that a person can take anywhere between 18 to 254 days to form a new habit or for a new behavior to be automatic. And on average, it takes about 66 days and not 21 days. So you may be wondering, where does this 21 days come from then? From what I found, it was originated from this self-help book called Psycho-Cybernetics by Dr. Maxwell Maltz. I'd like to share with you a paragraph from his book. Pause the video if you want to read, but summarizing it, Dr. Maltz was sharing his observations, not from research or studies, that it takes a minimum of 21 days for an old mental image to dissolve and a new one to gel in. But over the years, his message got misunderstood and a minimum of 21 days became 21 days. Okay, there's something I want to add too. You see, from the way of how our brain works, the frequency of us performing that action or change will also determine how fast that change will become automatic. Besides this, there's also our inner motivation, the reason why we want to change. If the reason is not much, it doesn't mean anything to us, that change will take a longer time. So if you want to know how to form good habits and break bad ones, check out this video I did where I review the book Atomic Habits by James Clear and share some tips for you to help you do that. Thank you.